Floors are important for many obvious reasons. Flooring is what defines a room or space. Floors support us. They sometimes guide us. So that is why this specific flooring was picked out and why we took great care of it when installing it. You've seen our master bedroom in other videos, so using this floor style just made sense. Other than the fact that we found this one for super cheap on clearance, weeks before we had even planned this remodel. So these tiles used to be $3.58 a piece. Can't see what we bought them for on there per piece, but all of this tile for this whole bathroom was under $100 when it would have been well over $200–300. You can see the grooves I create in the mortar here. Trowel ridges running in straight lines are much easier to collapse, which means they assist with air removal to maximize mortar coverage and ensure a strong bond to the tile and substrate. And I can't say enough about this SKIL Saw. It managed to cut through all of the porcelain tiles, as well as ceramic and marble tiles I ended up using for the shower in another project. I never had to change out the blade, but just remember to refill the water as this is a wet saw. I have a link to the saw down in the description below. Here's the grout float used to press the grout into the seams. Apply it a diagonal direction and clean off the tile lightly with the sponge. So take a look at the finished product. This is after a year of use and we don't mop as much as we should. So you can see this was done pretty well, especially for a very first tile install project. So guys, that's the install process for the tile floors. It was probably the most backbreaking part of this entire bathroom remodel. Also, I could definitely use some knee pads when doing this. Any sponsors out there? So let me know what I could have done better in the comments below. And as always, remember to subscribe so you can see my other projects and other things. And remember to hit that like button.